Well, hello, my beloved traders. How are y'all? I am Sweet Bobby, and y'all are the trader nerds. Real traders never trade alone. They trade with their fellow nerds like Austin and Dwayne and Edwin and Hal and iPhone 2 and Jason and John and Joshua and Matt Jollywally and Mikey and Mo and Paul and PSG and Sarb and Stacy and Stefan and Stephanie and Thomas and TK and Vicky. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. And I've got to tell you that I had a comment on YouTube that just almost broke my heart. Listen to what the comment was. The comment was something like this. Let's see. Where was it at here? Oh, yeah. Listen to this. It said, just go buy and hold Robo Advisor. Looks like you've given up trading. No value here. And then they did a sad face. And then I said, not so. I've just been deliberately cautious, but I'm about to unveil my new income trade. And we are about to unveil it in the Muscadine Mafia section today. We are going to be premium sellers. We just need to do it cautiously. That's all we need to do. And I think I've come up with what we're going to do, and I'll share that with y'all during the Muscadine Mafia session today. All right, good. Let's see. The market is up 0.62%, which is really, really good. Look at this. It went all the way down to VWAP there on this strange little candle here. What happened? Did Papa Joe fall out of the airplane? What happened? But anyway, something happened right here. And now we've been marching back up. So VIX is down in the 16 handle. Oh, it seems like old times, doesn't it? Seems like old times. And the AD is very strong at 368. Waka, waka, waka. All right. So let's see what the big green monster looks like. Oh, be still my heart. We went, just as I said, from oversold back into the fair value zone. Now, point of control is down here at the 55.39, the 55.40 line. That's always an area where we would see a gravitational attraction. But if we continue going up, ladies and gentlemen, our target is the 57.41, and it looks very reachable from where we are now. So we are in the fair value zone. We may play around here a little bit, but we are going to the 57.41. Let's look at the linear regression. Aha! Linear regression has basically said, screw you, you little downward little thing here. We are now having an upward channel. Let's see if we can draw that. Looks like we had very little consolidation here, but looks like we now are totally in an upward zone. Let's clone that. Clone. And let's start us a little up channel here. That looks something like that. So we are up and away. And we had a little triangle, I don't know what you call that, a little diamond here where this didn't look like consolidation, but clearly we've broken out of this downtrend. And now we're resuming the longer term uptrend. So it looks to me like we are up and away from now. So this is really good. And what is really good is I want to show y'all that my GTC order field in this account, and guess what that means? It means that, let's see, activity here. Let me show it to you. So we filled, look at this. Oh, we filled two of them. Let's see. No, that was on 9/11. The GTC order, is that a GTC filled on 9/11, 9/13? How did I not see that? So we filled a GTC on 9/11 and we filled one today buying our 12. We probably have a strong, and I do mean strong, hedge today. Let's look and see what she looks like over here. I said, let's see what it looks like over here. Pop up, pop up, pop up. Here we go. So let's see what we look like now. Let's refresh this. And it should be more than 28,000. Let's see. Let's do positions. Oh, $71,000 of profit to the downside. Look at that. That is a hedge, my friend. Now we need to go to our spreadsheet and do a little bit of these things and see what happened here. So we filled our 12 shorts came off. So at 20 cents. So let's see if we can put that in there. Go over here to trades. And let's find where our 12 came off at 20 cents. They did that today. So 0.20. And we exited those on 9/13/24. All right. So we bought 12. Let's see what we bought. Because I didn't put this order in here. 9/5/9/11, $1.55. We bought at 48 days the 3,500s. 3,500s. Let's look at that. We bought 5 3,500s. This is the way this is supposed to work, y'all. 5 3,500s. Uh-huh. Let's see if we did this 3,500s at 48 days. That would be right here. So we apparently did a BSH2 diagonally. Does everybody see this? And then we said, hey, baby, let's go ahead and put in the 5 at 3,500. So we did ES. And we did 5 loans. So this is actually part of BSH2. So let's go BSH2. And we did the 3,500s puts. And this is the loan hedge at 40. This would have been 50 days at 9/11/24. And this would have been for $1.55. Okay. So now looks like we have, let me do this. Why is that not? Format painter, and let's do it here. So that makes that nice and pretty. So let's see how many loans that we have now. So now we have 6 shorts and 35 loans. All right. All right. So that means that we could go out now because we filled those 5 and we could sell. Let's see, those were in the 48 day. So we can go out a little bit longer now and sell 3 more. So let's put that in the BSH2 as well. Or should I call that BSH4? Let's see. I don't know how to do these diagonal ones. Let's go back over here and let's go trade. And let's see. We want to do ES. And we go out to 60 days or more. So let's go to 63 days. And we bought 5. So let's see if we can't go out to the $3. There we go. Looks good. Let's do these 3,800s and let's sell 3 of those. 2, 3. Now, here's where we can start sizing up. What would it look like if we sold 6? All right. Everybody see what I'm doing? We've had something. So it may be that we can start sizing these up to 6. So let's look and see what it looks like. If our thing will cooperate. So let's go over here and let's go take order legs off. And let's, oh, wow. We've got $93,000 worth of hedges. We're taking the nut hedge off. So let's see if we can actually sell 6. We can. The problem is it brings us down to $10,000, right? So probably, what does that look like with 3? Still leaves a nice little hedge at 51,000 if I do 3. So I'm probably going to do 3 because I want to keep that nice hedge on there. So let's just do that. Let's do 3. I want to grow it, but I got to be cautious. So let's move this up to 315 and see if we can sell 3 today. and activity, and we'll try to take that down to 310. Come here, little feller. 310. And nothing. Jack, squat, crap, nothing. 3 also keeps your small drawdown positive, the -4% down. That's good. Where we usually gets tore up. Mikey, you bring up something really good. So I can do 3 and be just fine with this. Let's bring this down to 305, and that should feel. So 63 days, 3,800s. All right. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a GTC here order to close these at 20 cents. Everybody knows the game. It's a game that we play, and we're going to do GTC, close those at 20. Then what's the move? Y'all know the move. We go here and we say, hey, baby, let's go here and let's buy these 5 at $1.55 so we can get those on for free. $1.55. GTC. All right, so that means we were going to put the 3,800s, 305.63. 3,800s. Yes. 3 of those puppies. And we're going to call this, I guess we'll call this, I don't know, BSH. Actually, we should call this BSH4. Let's do that.
Hey, Bobby, the one thing with that BSH4
Yeah,
is you never sold any shorts to pay for those.
I just did. So
So you're gonna
yeah,
tie them to those.
yeah, I'm gonna tie these two together. So in other words, I just bought these. And so remember when we buy something, Hal, we need to sell something against it. So I bought the $1.55s. So we're gonna say that the shorts that I sold today are part of that, 3,800 puts short hedge. And let's see.
So you got another calendarized.
Yes, so I got another calendarized. 63 days, 9/13. It is my daughter's 20th birthday. Congratulations to her. There we go. And let's make that nice and pretty. So let's go format painter. Let's make the whole thing there. So they are shorts. So now we'll put those in BSH4. So let's go over here and go positions. There's the 3 at 98 days. What are these? 63 and 48. These should be BSH4. Three positions. BSH4. And I guess these two are BSH3s then. Is that right? Probably so. Since I don't have those labeled. Let's do that. Hey, would not let me do both of those? Oh, wait, not let me do both of those. Oh. Won't let me click between those two. Anyway, that's fine. We're good on what we're doing. So we know what the game is, right? We're going to diagonalize those. Everything's going to be good. And that looks good. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to now go into our Muscadine Mafia session, and we're actually going to put in some short positions to where we're actually selling premium. We're getting back to what we're going to do. So we're actually going to sell premium, and we're going to try to make $500 a week. And I'm going to show you how we're going to do that next. Everybody else, y'all have a good rest of your day. I love you to pieces, and don't give up on us. We're still traders. And we're about to go trade now, and I will see everybody on Monday.